Hi, my name is Dima Chizhevsky, Chief Architect of the GEO protocol. In this short video, I will briefly describe the concept of trust lines. Trust line is a basic entity of GEO protocol's transaction topology. A trust line connects two nodes and all its data is stored only on these two nodes. The data on both of these nodes is symmetrical. It is worth to mention that one trust line between two nodes can be opened in a single asset equivalent only. If the very same nodes want to open a trust line in another equivalent, that will be another trust line with the corresponding data set. The data with which a trust line operates is represented by three numbers: incoming trust amount, ITA, outgoing trust amount, OTA, and current balance, CB. Now let's consider an example. If node A opens a trust line to node B for the amount of 100 BTC, and node B opens a trust line to node A for the amount of 200 BTC, in this case, on the side of node A, this trust line will be represented by the following numbers: incoming trust line amount 200 BTC, outgoing trust amount 100 BTC, current balance 0. As for the node B, the numbers will look like this: incoming trust amount 100 BTC, outgoing trust amount 200 BTC, current balance 0. After a payment of, let's say, 40 BTCs performed from the node A to the node B, the trust line info will be changed to the following. For the node A, incoming trust amount 200 BTC, outgoing trust amount 100 BTC, current balance minus 40 BTC. For the node B, incoming trust amount 100 BTC, outgoing trust amount 200 BTC, current balance 40 BTC. All these numbers and transactions are backed by cryptography, but these mechanics will be considered in our next videos. Also, further, we will use the terms like incoming payment flow, IPF, and outgoing payment flow, OPF, of a trust line. IPF is the maximum amount that one node can receive from another with a particular trust line. It is calculated by the following formula: IPF equals OTA minus CB. OPF is the maximum amount that one node can transfer to another with a particular trust line. It is calculated by the following formula: OPF equals ITA plus CB. In our case, IPF from node A to node B equals OTA minus CB equals 100 BTC minus 40 BTC equals 140 BTC. OPF from node A to node B equals ITA plus CB equals 200 BTC plus minus 40 BTC equals 160 BTC. IPF from node B to node A equals OTA minus CB equals 200 BTC minus 40 BTC equals 160 BTC. OPF from node B to node A equals ITA plus CB equals 100 BTC plus 40 BTC equals 140 BTC. As you can see from this example, IPF and OPF are symmetrical. IPF from node A to node B equals OPF from node B to node A. OPF from node A to node B equals IPF from node B to node A. This example describes a simplest case of a transaction that involves only two nodes with a direct trust line connection between them. But in the GEO protocol, you can use the trust line mechanics to perform a multi-hop transactions. That means that it is possible to make a payment between two nodes that don't share a common direct trust line connection. In this case, the GEO will automatically find possible indirect paths between two nodes. We will describe this in more details in another video about payment paths building and maximum flow prediction algorithm. How the actual multi-hop payment is performed will be described in a video about the payment algorithm. And the next video will describe the trust lines mechanics in detail. Don't miss these videos, subscribe to our channel.